All right, you're going to pick a card from any pile. Just tell me what pile it is. Don't tell me the name of the card. What it is.
Pile closest to Richard.
That would be 3. Right?
Okay. Pile closest to Richard. Pile closest to Elena.
This one?
Yep.
Now you have to tell her what card it is.
Not yet.
You gotta mix them all up.
All right, tell me what card it is.
Ace of Hearts.
That card?
Congrats.
There it is. Just goes to show witchcraft allows card